Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's do a quick recap on what we have seen in this section. So there are some things I want you to remember and take away from this section. First is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to describe the structure of the web page. Okay, and HTML is written in a file with extension .htm and .html. HTML is basically a markup language. Markups actually used in the HTML page to mark the content. So when we write the paragraph tag, h1 tag, you see all those markups that we have written in the HTML page. Client request for HTML page and then server respond by sending that HTML page to the client. This we have seen in the example of how client server technology works. And when the client browser understands how to interpret HTML language, it actually displays that content. Then we have talked about the structure of the HTML page. HTML, then you have a head, then you have a meta tag inside the head, and then you have a title tag describing the title of your page. Then you have your body where all the tags that you write inside the body is displayed onto the web page content. Then you write h1 for writing the heading and p for paragraph. And we talked about the head tag. Head tag describes about the page and body type describe the content of the page. And content in the body page is actually displayed on the browser, and all the content that you write in head tag is not visible on the browser. Then we talked about HTML boilerplate code, which is used as a starting point to start developing the page. Actually, we have created our own boilerplate code and then we have used for our examples as well. Then some of the tags that we have seen in this section, we have seen heading tags from h1 to h6, paragraph tags with the p tag, comments tag with less than, exclamatory double hyphen, and then hyphen hyphen greater than symbol. Then we have looked at horizontal tag that will draw a line onto the pages to create nice sections with HR tag. Then line breaks, you can add line breaks with BR. If you add new lines onto the HTML page, it's not visible onto the web page. To add new lines, you have to use BR tags. And remember, horizontal tag and the line tag are also empty tag or self-closing tag. Underline and italics. Okay. Then we have looked at pre-tag. Whatever output you want to write and then you want to display the same output on the web page, you use pre-tag. Then if you want to write and display a source code, that's the computer code, you wrap it under the code tag. We looked at the list, definition list, ordered list and unordered list. We have created different pages and we have linked those pages. Also, we have created an external link where you click when you click a link, a new browser will open and then the link is open. And also we have created how to create links within the pages as well. Then we looked at section and articles where we looked at the format of a section. Section have article, section have opening and close, then you have articles in it which has header, paragraph and footer in it. Alright, so that's the things we have looked in this section, that is the introduction to HTML, and then we'll move on to the advanced topics into the next section. Okay, so that's all for this lecture on introduction to HTML, and I'll see you in the next one.